Uh-oh. I just came out to show you the flooding, and they're coming to the house. I can't feed you at the house. I can't feed you at the house. Uh-oh. I get some rain, and they're just having a blast in the water, and here they come. No, I can't feed you at the house. I can't feed you at the house. She is, okay, so she has like a blonde streak over her eye, and she knows me. All right, I'm going to get the food and I'll come to the hill, okay? All right, I'm going to pause it. Oh no, I don't have enough for everybody. All right, I'm getting wet. Okay, come on. I'll feed you at the hill. Come here, come on. I'll feed you right here. Come on. There you go. Yep, I was hoping she would get it first, so. All right. Oof. And these wires are getting submerged in water. I mean, they're grounded, but I wish she hadn't done that. All right. Ooh, Monday, wet day. My dock is almost completely covered with water. But we need rain, so. Have a good Monday, everybody.